Hello students, today we are going to solve 9th numerical of previous year gate question. Question is given as, in a rectangular channel, the ratio of velocity head to the flow depth for critical flow condition is. Now we have to solve this question. Now we know that critical velocity head will be equals to Vc square upon 2g, which will be equals to Qc square upon 2ga square, which is our first equation. Now for a critical flow, Qc square into T upon Ga cube will be equals to 1. Therefore, Qc square upon Ga square will be equals to A by T. That is our second equation. Now from first and second equation, we know that Vc square upon 2g will be equals to A by 2t. Now for rectangular channel, we know that Vc square upon 2g will be equals to B into Yc upon 2b, which will be equals to Yc by 2. Now Vc square upon 2g upon Yc will be equals to 1 by 2. That will be the complete solution of this numerical. Thank you very much, students.